want to start off by getting your first and last name.
Well, I'm calling about my son.
Okay.
Okay, give me 1 second. What's the problem? Okay, he's saying that he got a mount and that it ran away and that he's very upset. He told me to call for him.
Okay. I mean, as far as like the in-game mounts, they don't have any like option to disassociate themselves from a player. Like once you claim the mount on your account, it's permanently attached unless there's some sort of other thing going on. Can you tell me, or does he know, how did he get the mount?
Give me 1 second. He wants to know how you get the mount. Okay, my son told me he grinded a rep.
Sorry, the connection kind of broke up there. How did he get it?
He grinded a rep
Okay.
and
So he got his.
he said he bought the Netherwing Drake and that it ran away.
All right, let me see here. And can I get the email for his account?
What's your email? Your email. He says 3241 at live.com.
All right, not finding any accounts with that as its email. Would he maybe be using a different email?
Give me 1 second. Do you have a different email? He's asking the email for what? He's asking the email for what?
For the BattleNet account, the one that he uses to sign
For
into the World of Warcraft.
the battle bet. He said that he is using a private server.
Yeah, okay. I mean,
He
so
told
whenever
me
he
that it's
signs into the
3241 at live.com.
Okay. And I searched that email, but it's not currently attached to an active BattleNet. So
He
just make
says it's
sure
not
that,
attached to the battle bet.
yeah, I need the email that he uses whenever he logs in. So whenever you log in, it asks you for a specific username, and that's going to be an email address, and that's
What's
the
what
email
he
address
logged
that I need.
the battle bet with? My son told me 3241 at live.com.
All right, and that email is not attached to any
This is
account
not attached
worldwide.
to the account worldwide. He said he uses a private server.
Oh, okay, then that's not us that's running it. So we have absolutely no visibility and no power to do anything if it's a private
He's
server.
like a ghost. He has no invisibility. My son asked if he could talk to you.
Sure.
Okay, 1 second. Hello?
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
Not too bad.
Okay, I got another wing Drake in the game and it ran away from me and it took me 3 weeks of grinding rip to exalted and it cost me 5k gold and I'm very upset.
Okay, and I understand that, but I also heard that you're playing on a private server. Is that correct?
No, I'm playing on Twisting Nether.
Okay, and what is your character's name on Twisting Nether?
Icy?
And is that just ICY or?
Yes. No, ICEY. ICEY.
Okay, ICEY. One moment here. Twisted Nether.
No, Twisting Nether.
Oh, Twisting. Okay, and is that your human mage?
What? Yes.
Okay. the Reigns of the Netherwing Drake, right?
Yes,
Can you tell me if it was like the Azure Drake, the Cobalt, Onyx, Purple, Verilion, or Violet Drake?
it was the Verilion.
Verilion. Okay. And I believe I may know what's going on here. Let me just verify real quick.
Yes, yes.
Oh, just one moment. I'm doing an investigation just to see what I can find out here for you.
It's not letting me log into my account now. I just tried to log on to the server. He came back! He came back! He came
It's back?
back! I pressed the companion and he came back!
That's good, but I'm not sure how you're signed into this account, to be honest.
What are you talking about?
Well, it doesn't appear to be attached to any BattleNet account.
No, it's 3241 at live.com.
And I don't have that registered to any
I have an
active BattleNet account.
authenticator. I have an authenticator.
Okay.
I've been praying for 6 years.
Okay, and that character that you play is Icy, I-C-E-Y, and that's on Twisting Nether, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And I looked up that character exactly on Twisting Nether. It's your human mage, right?
Yes.
Okay. That character is on an account that's not associated with the BattleNet account.
Uh-oh. What does that mean?
It means that if you're playing on that account, you're not playing on our system.
I pay $15 a month for 6 years. That's like $4,000 American dollars.
Yeah. No, I'm saying that given this account and given the information that you've given me, something definitely weird is going on here because
Well,
that character is on an account which should not be accessible given
yes,
that
they
it's
found
not.
out. They found out. Hello.
And I mean, do you know, are you playing on a private server maybe or something like that?
I'm on the Twisting Nether server.
Well, yeah, but I'm saying like, as far as how you sign in, are you connecting to like someone else who's not BattleNet?
No, I go on BattleNet and then I use the authenticator and then I log in.
Okay. And when you sign into BattleNet, you said that you use the email address. Or what was the email for BattleNet?
3241 at live.com.
Okay. 3241 at live. Yeah, that is not an email address that we have.
You're nuts.
It is not.
I got the account on Craigslist.
Now that could be definitely a problem. If you get accounts like that, oftentimes, they're just people trying to scam you and stuff like that, and will
I
oftentimes,
bought it 6 years ago. Back when I played Burning Crusade.
well, then it would seem that it should still be active. However, I'm
Do
not
you think the
finding that.
Koreans took it when I used the power leveling service?
I mean, if you do stuff like that, oftentimes you can get banned. However,
No, no, please don't ban me, please, no. I spent 6 years, no.
I didn't say that. But either I'm not any with that email that you gave me.
You're breaking up.
Mm-hmm.
Excuse
Are
me?
you still there?
Yes, I hear you.
Well, I, it's not under the emails that you've given me, and given some of the information that you've,
So you're
well, you're
breaking up
playing on
too.
our, it would seem impossible that you're playing on the BattleNet service,
I'm logged in right now. I am in Stormwind and the Cathedral.
and it's on the character ICEY, a female human mage on the Twisting Nether server.
Yes. My drink came back. I pressed P and clicked on mount, and he came back.
I don't know what to tell you, man. From everything you're describing to me, I found exactly the account that you're talking about. However, it is currently not able to
Are
be
you
accessed.
lying to me because I have special powers? Are you lying to me? Are you gonna take my account? Sir?
No.
Are you gonna take my account from me? My password is
The kitchen's kind of breaking up. I'm not understanding what you're saying there.
489. Hello? Uh, uh,
All right. Can you give me any other identifying information about your account? Maybe another way I could find it?
I know my security question.
I won't necessarily help me find a particular account. Do you maybe have like a different character name I could search or something like that?
Misty.
And how do you spell?
Misty.
And what server do you play Misty on?
Um, on Ner'zhul. Ner'zhul.
Okay, and is that what race and class is Misty?
Excuse me?
Like is it a blood elf? Is it a tauren? Is it a human? What is
I
it?
haven't played on her in forever. Hello?
All right, and what's your first and last?
Michelle Gomez. 6 years of I killed the Lich King and now they're gonna take my account, Dad. They're gonna take
On
it.
your account, it shouldn't be an issue. It's just I'm not that you're talking. It isn't really matching up with anything.
You told me the Koreans would give me Ben.
That's where that information from.
You told me.
I never did.
You told me since they power leveled me and gave me 20,000 gold that they would ban me.
Um,
What just happened? Hello?